boys and girls. It's Miss Murphy. Happy Monday. Our lesson today in math is called Top It with number cards. It's lesson 4.12. Today's going to be a fun math game lesson. Before we are ready, let's make sure we have all of our at-home learning reminders. Remember to find a quiet spot, somewhere for you to do your best work. Remember to have a good attitude. You should be thinking, I'm ready to learn, and I can do this. Remember to listen to the entire video so you know what to do when it's your turn. Remember to try your hardest. Remember, we don't want you to be perfect. We just want you to try your best. And finally, keep all your materials in one spot. Boys and girls, today you will need to find this white envelope in your school supply kit. Inside of it is a bag of letters or numbers. Find this bag of numbers so you can play today's math game. If you need to go find it or you don't have it right now, pause the video to go find the number cards. If for some reason you lost them, that's okay. You can still do today's math lesson, so don't give up. Let's go ahead and start with calendar. Remember, our calendar now is on the screen, so it's a little bit different. We're going to count these green numbers until we get to this one. So I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number comes after 6? That's right, 7. So I'm going to move the 7 into the next space. Today is December 7th. Do you see this big green box down here? That's winter break, where we don't have school in real life school or online school. We get to take a break and be with our family. Let's read today's date. Repeat after me. Say, today's date is December 7th, 2020. Say, today is Monday. Say, yesterday was Sunday. Say, tomorrow is Tuesday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Great job singing the Days of the Week song with me. Remember that the month is called December. Can you say December? Good. And the season is fall. I want to remind you that we had 3 birthdays last week. We had Jaden's birthday, Raiden's birthday, and Pa's birthday. Make sure you say happy birthday to them the next time you see them on Google Meet. Let's count how many days we've been in kindergarten. I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, That's right, 79 days of kindergarten. I'm going to take a blue circle and move it onto our 10 frame. We have been in school for 79 days. Let's pull in our board so we can add some straws. There you go. So yesterday we had been in school for 78 days. What number comes after 8? That's right, 9. So I'll put a 9 here and we'll grab a straw to add to our ones place. Okay, now let's count how many straws we have in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's our straw. 9. So now we have 9 ones and 7 tens. That makes 79. Can you say 79? Great job. Let's move this out of our way. Good. Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to warm up. We've been sitting and watching me. Now it's your turn to stand up and get out all your wiggles and practice counting to 100.
Count to 100 every day. Keep your mind and body in shape. Let's get fit, have some fun. Count to 100
by ones.
Get ready to exercise and count.
Get ready.
Stretch your arms.
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stretch your legs.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Pump each arm up.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
2 arm circles.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Shoulder shrugs.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Pump elbows back.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
2 windmills.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
Walk in place.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80.
Now jog in place.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Clap up high.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Count
To 100 every day. Keep your mind and body in shape. Let's get fit, have some fun. Count to 100 by ones. Great job. Okay, now let's read our objective. Repeat after me. Say, I can compare two numbers. Good. That is our kindergarten number since standard 8. We have some big idea questions. So listen as I tell you what they are. How do you know a number is greater than another one? How do you know if a number is less than another one? And what does it mean if they are equal? We're going to play a video in just a second, but I want you to point to your brain. How do you know if one number is bigger than the other? I have an idea. I like to think of it as eating cookies. If I had 2 cookies and my friend had 4 cookies, which one is bigger? Who gets to eat more cookies? That's right, my friend that has 4 cookies gets more than I do. That's how I like to remember how to compare numbers. Okay, let's watch the video.
Let's see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers. You've got a lot of stickers, Moby. You definitely have more than me. How can you compare numbers? It's the perfect day to go apple picking, right, Moby? I've picked 7 apples so far. How about you? So you've picked 5, and I picked 7. On a number line, 7 comes after 5. That means 7 is greater than 5. So I picked more apples than you. How many apples do you have now, Moby? You picked 13 apples? The number 13 comes after 7 on a 100 chart. That means 13 is greater than 7. It also means that 7 is less than 13. So now you have more apples, Moby. How do you compare bigger numbers? Mia picked 20 apples. Who has more, you or Mia? When you compare bigger numbers, you should compare the numbers in the highest place value first. You have 1 10 and 3 ones, but Mia has 2 10s and 0 ones. So Mia picked more apples than you. Whoa, Moby! Who has more apples now? Moby, you picked 324 apples. The farmer has 389 apples. We need to look at the largest place value first. Since you both have 300s, we need to compare the numbers in the tens place next. You have 2 10s, but the farmer has 8 10s. So the farmer has more apples than you. I don't think there are any apples left. How do you use symbols to compare numbers? There are plenty of pumpkins to pick. You can write a number sentence to compare numbers. Cool, you picked 16 pumpkins. That's more than Grandpa. This is the greater than sign. In a number sentence, the wider part faces the bigger number. 16 is greater than 10. This is the less than sign. In a number sentence, the corner points to the smaller number. So we say 10 is less than 16. Don't worry, you can make a picture in your mind to help remember the signs. I like to think of the symbol as an alligator. The alligator is hungry, so it always eats the bigger number. Mia has 6 pumpkins, and she's adding them to Grandpa's basket. That means Grandpa and Mia have 16 pumpkins. That's the same number as you, Moby. This is the equal sign. Both baskets have an equal number of pumpkins. The symbol shows that both sides of the equation equal the same amount. Moby. I think I've finally collected more stickers than you. Hey!
Very good, friends. Okay, so just like the video said, today we will practice comparing numbers by playing a game. Let me make this smaller so that we can all see. All right, so I'm going to go first, demonstrating how to play my game, Top It, with number cards. First, I'll demonstrate here on the computer, then I will walk over to my camera and show you there. Okay, so first you want to take 2 stacks of cards. I have a stack over here for me, and I'm going to play with my Turn and Talk partner, Dog. So this is Dog's stack, and this is my stack of cards. I will go first. I'm going to move this blue piece so I can see my first number. My first card is 19. I'm going to move my card over to the middle. Then it will be Dog's turn. He's going to move the blue top card over and show me his first card. He has the number 18. We have to decide whose card is bigger, because the card that is bigger gets to take both of them. 18 and 19, those numbers look the same, so I'm going to use the number line up above us. The bigger number will come after the smaller number. Look up at the number line. Here's 18, but 19 comes right after it. That means 19 is bigger and 18 is smaller. So I get to take both of my cards over to the side. Sorry, Dog, I won this time. Now look at our next 2 numbers. I have 20. And Dog has 17. Whose number is bigger? Who will get to take the cards? Let's look back up at the number line. Here's the number 17. It's a 1 and a 7. Here's the number 20. 20 comes after the 17, so 20 is bigger. Sorry, Dog, I won again. I get to take your card. Okay, let's play one more round. Okay, Dog, what number do you have? Ruff, ruff. I have 11. And I have 16. Let's use the number line to help us. There's 11, Dog. And here's 16. 16 is after 11, so that means 16 is bigger. I'm sorry, Dog, I won again. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to show you with the real cards out at the camera. So stay here. Okay, friends, I hope you can hear me now that I've walked away. So first, you'll have a big stack of cards like this. I want you to split them in half and make 2 piles. You can play this game by yourself or with a partner at home. You'll take your first card and flip it over and read it. That's the number 8. Then you will take your partner, or you will take the other card and read it. That's the number 3. Everyone has a 100 chart in their supply bag. You can find it to help you. Here's mine. Okay, we have 8 and 3. Let's decide which number is bigger. Here's number 3. Here's number 8. 8 comes after 3, so it is bigger. So the person who had 8 gets to take both the cards. Let's play again. I'll go first. Ooh, another 8. And my partner will go 2. Let's use our number grid. Here's the number 2. Here's the number 8. The number 8 comes after 2, so it must be bigger. So I get to take the cards again. All right, now I draw the 5, and my partner drew a 1. Which number is bigger, 5 or 1? That's right, 5 is bigger. So the person who had 5 gets to take both cards. Good. Okay, I'm coming back over to the screen because now we are going to play together. Okay, we're going to play Top It with someone at home. So find your cards and find someone to play with, maybe a mom or a dad, or your godmother, or a big brother or sister, or someone at daycare. You'll play Top It at home, and then we will complete these cards. So go play and then come back. Good, I'm glad you're back. I hope you had fun playing Top It. If you forgot to play, make sure you do that. Okay, so we're going to look here at this piece of paper. We have card numbers on this side. This is the first draw. So the first person drew a 2. Now we have to write a number here that is bigger than 2, that can top it and take both. Let's look up at our number line. Do you see the 2 way over here? We have to pick a number that is bigger than it. Raise your hand if you have an idea of what number we should pick. London, what number should we pick? She thinks we should pick the number 7. So we will write a 7 on this blue piece of paper. Here is what the number 7 looks like. Good. Okay, let's try the next one. Now we have the number 6. We have to think of a number that is bigger than 6. I want you to find your turn and talk partner and tell them a number we should put here. Give me 5. Great, I heard lots of ideas. I really liked how friends were using the number line to find a number that was bigger than 6. 6 is way over here. So you have to pick a number that's bigger than it. I heard Drew say he wanted to pick the number 10. Is 10 bigger than 6? Good. 10 is bigger than 6. Let's write the number 10 on the next box to top the number 6. Let's do the next one. This is the number 3. Can you say 3? I want you to think of a number that is bigger than 3 that could top it. I see lots of light bulbs. Turn and tell your neighbor a number that is bigger than 3. Good. Give me 5. Ethan, what number is bigger than 3 that could top 3 and win? Wow, Ethan thinks we should pick the number 12. Can you say 12? Let's check on the number line. Okay, here's 3 way over here. So we just have to pick a number that is bigger than it. He wants to pick 12. Is 12 farther on the number line than 3? Yes, so we will put 12 here. Ethan picked 12. Great job, Ethan. Okay, our next number is 9. Can you say 9? Good. We need to think of a number that can top 9. That's bigger. Look at 9 on the number line. It's right over here. What number could top it? Turn and tell your neighbor. Give me 5. SB, what number could top the number 9? SB picked the number 15. Can you say 15? Let's look at the number line to check SB's work. Here's the number 9, so he has to pick any number that goes past 9 on the number line. 15 does go past 9, it's way over here. So give yourself a thumbs up, SB. We will write the number 15 here on this blue square. Okay, let's move on now. Remember, let's look again at our objective. Our objective was to compare two numbers. And our big idea question was, how do you know if a number is greater than another one? Well, today we used a number line and a hundreds chart to identify if a number is larger than another one. We know it's smaller if it's to the left of the number line or below on the number chart. And what does it look like if it's equal? Well, you're right. If it's equal, they are the same. Like 4 and 4. They are both the same. Okay, now it's your turn. You're going to write a number that is greater than the number on the left. I'll read these numbers to you. 14. Here in this blue box, you will write a number that is bigger than 14. 17. Think of a number that is larger than 17. 15. Think of a number larger than 15. And 18. Think of a number that is larger than 18. You actually have 2 cards to do. When you're done, you will answer the question in the box. How do you know if a number is bigger or smaller? And how do you know if they are the same? Boys and girls, I want to remind you on how to complete this Google slide. So when you click on Monday Math, let me go back to the home page on Canvas to show you. When you click on Monday, you will see a start page. Then this is reading, so you have to keep clicking next till you get to math. Do you see math? Good. You will watch the video, which isn't there yet because I'm making it right now, and then you will click on this little gray box. Let me bring you really close. Do you see this gray box? You'll click on it, and it will open your assignment. Your assignment looks just like what we were just doing. For you, you will have a blue button up here. Miss Murphy doesn't have one since I'm the teacher. When you're all done, you click that blue button so I can see your work. Boys and girls, remember, today you are focusing on playing a game called Number Top It. Remember, after you're done with this, you can use those cards to play with someone at home. Have a great rest of your day, and if you need help on Number Top It, don't forget to ask me at Google Meet or have someone at home help you. Bye, friends. I'll see you next time.